This is Southwest 212. It's 8:39 in the morning and we're going to do some more math. Here we go. I'm going to be showing you how to find a slope on a graph, and I'm going to be showing you how to find a slope from a table. So here we go. I'm going to write m equals off to the side. I'm going to find my rise and my run. So I'm going to draw a triangle here. It doesn't matter if you draw one up and over the line, but I'm going to draw mine underneath. So I'm going to draw straight down from this point until I'm exactly straight across from the other point and make it like a 90-degree triangle. And I'm going to count my distances over and count my distances up. So this goes over 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 goes on the bottom. That's the run. And I'm going to count my distance up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 over 4 would be my slope. Now I need to check and see if this is positive or negative. If I'm looking from left to right, I would have to end up going up the line. This is going up to the right, so I know this is a positive slope. We could reduce this to 3 over 2. So the rise over the run. Let's take a look at the table. I'm going to find what the x's are changing by each time. Looks like this is going up by plus 2 on the top. Each time from 0 to 2, from 2 to 4, 4 to 6. On the bottom, looks like it's going up by plus 3 each time. So I would write my slope as 3 over 2. Remember the change in the y values are what go on top, because the y values are actually up and down on the graph. Happy birthday, Angel. This is the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, Southwest 212. Over and out.